Did you hear that? This is madness. We're doomed.
This time you have gone too far.
I see your point, sir. I don't like you either.
How rude.
Goodness gracious me.
At last! Where have you been? What are you talking about? Don't get technical with me.
I've just about had enough of you. Hello, I think. I do believe they think I am some sort of god.
I'm going to regret this. What is that? I don't know what all this trouble is about, but I'm sure it must be your fault. You wouldn't want my life to get boring, would you? Over here!